Hello friends, this is a lecture on Legender's function. What is Legender function? And from it we can find. So for this we have to understand what is Legender's equation. So an equation of the form 1 minus x square d2 y over dx square minus 2x dy over dx plus n into n plus 1 y equals to 0 is known as Legender's equation. This equation is also written in the form d upon dx 1 minus x square dy over dx plus n into n plus 1 y equals to 0. So it has series solution also. As just like we have solved Bessel's equation, we can solve this Legender's equation by the series solution. But this can be solved in the two type. That is, first, if we solve this in descending power of x, then its solution is y equals to a naught x raised to power n minus n into n minus 1 upon 2n minus 1 into 2 x raised to power n minus 2 plus n into n minus 1 n minus 2 n minus 3 upon 2n minus 1 2n minus 3 2 into 4 x raised to power n minus 4 and so on. If n is positive integer and take a naught equals to 1, 3, 5 up to 2n minus 1 upon n factorial, then this solution will convert into Legender's function and it is denoted by Pnx. That is, Pnx is equals to 1, 3, 5 up to 2n minus 1 upon n factorial into x raised to power n minus n minus 1 upon 2n minus 1 into 2 x raised to power n minus 2 and so on. And this solution is known as Legender function of first kind. This is known as Legender's function of first kind. And in the second case, if the series solution is in ascending power of x, then the solution will convert into y equals to a naught x raised to power minus 1 plus n plus 2 n plus 1 upon 2 into 2n plus 3 x raised to power minus n minus 3 and so on. In this particular case, if n is positive and take a naught is equals to n factorial upon 1 into 3 into 5 up to 2n plus 1, then this solution is known as Legender's function and denoted by Qnx. This is known as Legender's function of second kind. So Pnx is the Legender function of first kind and Qnx is the Legender function of second kind. And this Qnx is equals to n factorial upon 1 into 3 into 5 up to 2n plus 1 into x raised to power minus n minus 1 plus n plus 1 n plus 2 upon 2 into 2n plus 3 x raised to power minus n minus 3 and so on. And the general solution of Legender's equation y is equals to a Pnx plus b Qnx. Now Roderick formula. Prove that Pnx is equals to 1 upon 2 raised to power n into n factorial d raised to power n over dx raised to power n x square minus 1 power n. जनरली इसका सॉल्यूशन, इसका प्रूफ ही आता है पेपर में, ये इसके ऊपर एक क्वेश्चन आ जाता है. ठीक है. सो इसके प्रूफ के लिए लेट b इज इक्वल्स टू x स्क्वायर माइनस 1 पावर n. व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? फर्स्ट वी हैव टू डिफरेंशिएट इट विद रेस्पेक्ट टू x. सो द dv over dx is equals to n x square minus 1 power n minus 1 into 2x. But we have to convert this into v. That is, we have to find a Legender's equation, and the Legender's equation is in the form of d2y over dx square. So for this we have to convert, that is, we required 1 minus x square in the left hand side with the product of dv over dx. But this is x square minus 1, so take x square minus 1 on both sides. So that is multiplying by x square minus 1 to both sides. So this will convert into x square minus 1 dv over dx is equals to 2n xv, because this is x square minus 1 power n and this is equals to v. So the equation is converted into x square minus 1 dv over dx is equals to 2n xv. Let it is equation number 2. Now differentiate it with respect to x up to n plus 1 time by Leibniz theorem. Remember it, that is dn plus 1 x square minus 1 dv over dx is equals to 2n dn plus 1 xb. Now apply Leibniz theorem for this particular condition. X square minus 1 as it is, differentiation of this term up to n plus 1 time, that is dn plus 2v over dx raised to power n plus 2 plus nc1 2x dn plus 1v over dx raised to power n plus 1 plus nc2 into 2 dnv over dx raised to power n, and rest term will be 0. Now from here 2n x as it is, dn plus 1 v over dx raised to power n plus 1 plus 1 into nc1 into dn v over dx raised to power n, and rest term will be 0. Now simplifying it, taking all term in the left hand side, we get x square minus 1 dn plus 2v over dx raised to power n plus 2. The value of nc1 is 1, the value of nc2 is n, plus 2x dn plus 1 over dn plus 1 v over dx raised to power n plus 1 plus n into n plus 1 dnv over dx raised to power n is equals to 0. If we put dnv over dx raised to power n is equals to y, then x square minus 1 d2y over dx square plus 2x dy over dx minus n into n plus 1 y equals to 0, or we can rewrite it as 1 minus x square d2y over dx square minus 2x dy over dx plus n into n plus 1 y is equals to 0. This is Legendre's equation. It arises only when we put dnv over dx raised to power n equals to y. So this is a part of solution of this particular equation, that is the solution must be Pnx is equals to c into dnv over dx raised to power n. Let it is equation number 4. Now we have to find the value of this c, because v is equals to x square minus 1 power n. So if we can get the value of c in term of 1 upon 2 raised to power n into n factorial, then this Roddick formula will be proved. Now for this again we are considering the first equation, that is we can write this equation as x plus 1 power n into x minus 1 power n. Now differentiating up to n time with respect to x, that is dnv over dx raised to power n is equals to x plus 1 power n as it is nc0 nth derivative of x minus 1 power n plus nc1 first derivative of this function, that is n x plus 1 power n minus 1 into n minus 1 the derivative of this x minus 1 power n, same as up to ncn nth derivative of this x plus 1 power n and this x minus 1 power n s. Now add x equals to 1, dnv over dx raised to power n, add x equals to 1 will be equals to this 2 raised to power n, and the nth derivative of this particular function, you know dnx raised to power n is always equals to n factorial. So this will be 2 raised to power n into n factorial, and all remaining terms will disappear, because n minus 1 the derivative contain x minus 1. So when we put x equals to 1, then this will equals to 0 and the all rest term will also equals to 0. So dnv over dx raised to power n at x equals to 1 is equals to 2 raised to power n into n factorial. Now from equation 4 add x equals to 1, c dnv over dx raised to power n at x equals to 1 Pn1, that is c into 2 raised to power n into n factorial is equals to 1, because Pn1 is always is equals to 1. So c is equals to 1 upon 2 raised to power n into n factorial. Put in 4, and after putting we get this particular proof, that is Roderick formula has been proved. Hope you understand the content of this particular lecture. If you like this lecture, then like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.